Hey guys, this is Ryan Mayo. Welcome back to the channel. I make videos about politics, about stocks, about finance. Today's video is going to be about a stock that was up over 70% today. I'm also going to update you guys on my investment challenge, where we stand with that. I've got an update on Golden Nugget online gaming for you guys, and we'll get started right now. Alright you guys, you know how we do it and kick things off here on the channel. I'm going to update you on my investment challenge 2021. When we started the year off, I rewound my account back to the original $3,000 that I invested with at the beginning of 2020, and now we're going to see how we can build this up. So far, a month in the second month of the year, we are up to $4,184 at the time of this video. So far this year, we are up over 16%. So we're doing well. We're making moves. Some of the stocks that are powering that are Tesla, of course, ETH, Ethereum, and a stock that I'm going to talk about a little later. So all in all, it's been a volatile year. As I keep telling you, this is going to be a volatile year in 2020, but we're making moves, we're making progress, and that's the goal. You're going to have ups, you're going to have downs. Mitigate your losses, make good long-term plays, and know when to get out. Alright you guys, I wanted to give a quick update on the Golden Nugget online gaming stock, formerly known as LCA. We bought into the stock around $14 a share. We're looking at a $19.94 cent share price, and honestly this remains a $40 a share stock eventually. This is something you want to continue to build your position on. This is something that you want to buy, hold, be patient. It's going to go up a couple bucks, it's going to go down a couple bucks, but the trend line is always going to be upward. It's going to break resistance, it's going to enter the $20 threshold, then it's going to hit 30, then it's going to hit 40, and then we'll reassess and we'll see where it's going to go in the future. But this is one of those stocks where you got to be patient, you got to trust the process and the plan. I never said this one was going to be overnight. This is one that's going to be up and down, and as COVID and the global situation, the medical situation starts to clear up, online gaming, sporting events start to become a bigger and bigger part of our lives again, you're going to see this stock skyrocket. Pfizer just announced they got 200 million cases of vaccine that are going to get to the arms of Americans by the end of May. It's not going to come at the end of May. It's going to be from between now and then. That's over half the population for at least the initial shot, because remember, Pfizer requires 2 shots. So that's just something to think about when you're making your plays and trying to buy these stocks low in hopes that eventually you'll be able to sell them high, right? That's the name of the game. Buy low, sell high. It's very simple, right? Stock investing 101. So this is a stock that gives us that type of opportunity. There's other stocks that I've talked about in the past, like American Airlines, other airlines as well, anything, Carnival Cruises, anything that you know will bounce back when people get an opportunity to actually hop on planes and go travel. Those are stocks you want to buy and you want to hold. They're going to have a decent end to 2021, but in 2022, things are going to be on fire with those type of plays. So continue with me, continue to monitor how things go, and I'll continue to add and rehash different plays that we've made in the past in my future videos, so I can keep updating you, because one of the things I want to do is not just tell you when I think it's a good time to buy a certain stock or make a certain play, take a position on a certain play, but I also want to help you know when to get out, because it's just as important to know when to get out as it is to know when to get in. Alright you guys, I wanted to talk to you about a stock that is up over 70% just today. It is a company called Holicity. It is ticker symbol HOL. This is a stock I bought a few days ago, around $15 a share. I've been building my position, and it has already shot up to $17.64 in a day. The exciting thing about this company is they're the first publicly traded company that does public space launches. This is an extremely exciting company, an extremely exciting opportunity, because they work with government contracts. What they do is they have huge growth in satellite development, and they're building a system that's going to be able to launch a rocket into space within 24 hours for various governments around the world, including our government. So the the growth potential and the upside of this company is going to be huge. I have started to build my position as of a couple days ago. I'm going to continue to build up my position. I recommend that you build up your position and get in now, because who knows where this stock is going to go. But here's my advice to you. And this is something that we learned a lot with the recent events with GameStop and with AMC, if you watch my videos. Those stocks shot up. It was amazing, but it was also artificial. Look at where those stocks are now. They are very much down, and that's okay if you knew when to get out. But now we have an extra wrinkle because some of these companies are starting to protect themselves in their own interests, like Robinhood, like Webull, by not allowing you to buy more of those shares. They let you sell and they let the stock price dive down in those stocks, but they didn't let you buy those. So you want to be wary of artificial increases. That is not what's happening with this stock, with Holicity. This is a stock with a reason, with a formulation, with a mathematical equation that you can look at and understand why this company is going to surge in the future. But again, my recommendation is to you, and with every stock, is don't ride the wave. Don't buy the peak of the wave. Wait for it to have a down day. See if you can get it in 16. See if you can get it in $15 a share. It will dip back down again before it heads up and breaks resistance. With any stock that I talk about, just because I put a video out doesn't mean you need to buy it right then. I try to give you kind of targets, whether it's, hey man, this is going to keep going up, you better buy now, or like this. This is going to have some volatility, and that's okay. See if you can wait out a price point. Now, I'm going to also tell you what I'm doing with my personal portfolio that I show here with you transparently is I'm going to buy more. I think that this is going to continue to go up. I think that it will have dips, and you should wait for those, but I'm just trying to get my position set at a low price point because it's unpredictable. Who knows where this will go? I expect this to be over a $20 a share stock within the next month or two. And if it's not, then I'm going to stock up on it and hold it because I think it's a great long-term opportunity, but it's also a great swing trade if you're looking to make a quick buck. I would highly recommend, because of what they're doing, because of the backing they have, especially with governments and those contracts and the fluidity and the liquidity that it allows you when you have contracts with governments. They pay big bucks. It's a good stock to hold on to build your portfolio with, and to make some real money in 2021. As always, guys, I really appreciate you watching the video. This was just short and sweet. Get right to the bare bones of things and get you some things that can make you some money. Please like the video if you enjoyed what I had to say. If you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate everyone who takes a look at the channel, who leaves their comments, who likes the videos. It's all love, no matter if it's 100 people or if it's one person. I'm doing this to help you guys make money and for you to go to the bank with me. We all go to the bank together in this thing. And always remember, my name is Ryan Mayo. I appreciate you. When they are running, we are gunning, my friends. I'm out.